We are KW Automotive TV, it's Essen 2021, this is ST Suspension. You may have seen the ST Suspension branding on certain cars like Baggsy's Nissan GT-R for instance and wondered how it fitted in with the KW Automotive Group. Well, they cater for more applications like street, drift and track. We're here on the ST Suspension booth. We're going to take a quick look around and show you some of the products. I'm going to kick it off first with a brand new product to the range. It is, of course, the ST XTA Plus 3. This now comes with rebound control, damper control, height adjustment, and a billet top mount.
It's the first time that we present our new XTA Plus 3 coilover kits, which is the first time that we have three-way adjustable dampers in the ST coilover program.
A very nice piece of kit, a nice addition to the line. Let's take a look around the stand. As you can see, a lot of hype, very busy stand today here in Essen. Make it yours. We'll come back to that in a minute because there's a special feature we're going to show you with the new range of Make It Yours from ST. Red Bull Driftbrothers also in attendance on the ST stand, joining the group for 2021 and 2022, running these BMW M4s, incredible builds, as you can see, custom wide arch body kits and backing from BMW. Let's hear from Klaus about ST's work in the sport of drifting.
Being able to support people like Baggsy, Drift Brothers, being involved in that industry is something we really appreciate. It's again a challenge for us to provide the right technology, getting those guys performing better. Yeah, that's what we've always tried to do. We want to make a difference with our work, and if we can contribute just a little bit to get those guys to the next level, that's something we are super proud about.
Amazing being part of this family, and that's, I think, the right wording to call it, with Klaus and Jürgen really putting their heart and soul into everything, and the way they started building the company up, you can feel it all the way into the products. Like it's a family thing still, and not your regular everyday family. It's a family of brilliant people who are super motivated to push what they create to the maximum there is.
They share the same dreams and goals as we do. So when we come up with some plans or an idea, it's not a hard sell. They're motorsport enthusiasts, they're petrol heads, they love everything about the industry, and so do we. So it's just about communicating the ideas together and then going forward. It's a great partnership. It's one that just keeps getting better and better, and they understand what we want to do and what we want to achieve, and we go down that road together.
It's really impressive to have these friends and partners we have with ST Suspension here at our booth. We all only met via Teams or not real in the last 1 or 2 years, and now we can see these people, we can see their cars, their new projects, and we're really proud to have these partners and friends.
And move it around. The wheel spacer options, as you can see, ST Suspension make their own wheel spacers. Here we have the bolt-on system, the AEZ, and then we pass it along and you have the bolt-through option, which comes with these very clever designed wheel nuts that center the wheel spacer on the studs. And as we just mentioned, of course, the ST Make It Yours. Well, what is that all about? I'll explain to you. In the range, you can choose any one of these colours for your spring options, and part of the package, you can have any text printed on the spring. I've got to choose my colour right now. Got to be ST Yellow, of course. And I get one of the guys to add my text. Benny.
It's really something unique, not only in the German market. I think it's globally a unique program where you have so many options to find your right springs, to get your color of the springs, to get so many customized features for your car or for your coilover kit. Also, the new customers coming on the booth, seeing the first time these customization options, they are also really impressed of what we can offer them. So it's really nice to have this personal contact again.
So there we have it, ST Suspension, Essen 2021.